Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Redmi 17 isn't recognizing your lock screen pattern. In such case, the first thing I would recommend you to do is to reach out to Redmi customer support service, because only they can help you out with resolving this issue. If you can, of course, prove the ownership of your device to them, they'll be able to help you regain access to your smartphone without removing any personal data from your device. Otherwise, unfortunately, you're going to have to perform a factory reset operation, and you can do this in two ways, either remotely or locally on your smartphone. Before we do that, if you have an alternative way to sign in to your device, for example, using face recognition scanner or fingerprint sensor, you can unlock your device temporarily. Go to settings, go to about phone section, and in this section you'll be able to select backup and restore, and here you have four different backup methods. So as you can see, at the top we have local backup, at the bottom we have cloud backup. Backup all the important data, and then to perform a factory reset operation, if you want to use the remote method, you're going to need either a PC around you or a laptop, tablet, etc., whatever that has internet access. You have to find the FindHub on Google. This is Google's official service that you can use to perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone. All you have to do is sign in to your Google account on FindHub website and select your Redmi from the devices list. If you select your Redmi from a device that is not your Redmi, you'll be able to find factory reset option on the screen. Select it and perform factory reset operation on your device remotely. If you want to perform the factory reset operation locally, most probably you're going to have to force restart your device. Well, at least I'm not entirely sure whether we can power off our device without providing the screen lock. No, we actually can. So do not force restart your device. Simply press power button and volume up keys at the same time. Swipe up the circle to power your device off, and after your device is fully turned off, you're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume up key at the same time. Once your device vibrates, you have to release the power button and keep holding down the volume up key. This way you'll get to recovery menu. Here you can navigate using volume keys and select with the power button. Navigate to wipe data option, press power button on it, then select wipe all data on the following menu, and then confirm on the following menu. I'm not gonna do this right now because it will erase all data from my smartphone, but after you select confirm and maybe enter some password on the following page, password that will be displayed on your following page, you'll perform a factory reset operation. And after that, you'll be able to set up your device once again and even restore your data from the backup if you prepared one. I'm gonna select reboot the system and reboot my device. And that's pretty much how you resolve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.